Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on crack concepts, and in today's video we will be learning how to write a code to drop missing data in Python in Pandas. So let's see this question. This is on lead code question number 2883, drop missing data. So this is our input table which has three columns: student ID, name, age, and the column name. There are some rows having missing values in the name column. So this is our column, and as you can see over here, there is a value called none over here. So we have missing data in the column name of the table. The name of this data frame is students. So write a solution to remove the rows with missing values. So the output should be this. We need to remove all the records that have name as none. So let's write the solution. We will first import pandas as pd. This is our function name drop missing data, and this is a parameter. So what is being passed? pd dot data frame. A data frame is being passed and the name of the data frame is students, and this function will return data frame only, and we need a colon over here, and then we will write the definition of the function. So let's write. So to drop missing data, we have an inbuilt method in pandas which is drop any. So let's write that. First let's write the data frame name students dot drop any, and then there are some parameters. We have 5 parameters, but we will need just 3 of them in this scenario. Subset is equal to name, comma, in place is equal to true. Now what this is doing is, subset means which column are we supposed to consider to drop the null values. We need to consider the column name in the data frame students. Student is the data frame, and we are applying the method drop any. And what is the subset? What is the column that we need to consider? Name. So all the NAs, all the null values from the column NA will be removed, will be discarded. In place is equal to true means whatever changes that we will be making are going to be done on the very same data frame, students. In case you want to retain the original values, so this needs to be false. In that case, we will have to create another data frame, and we will be returning another data frame. And let's return the data frame, as our function is also returning a data frame. Return students, the same data frame. Let's run this. Accepted. Let's submit this. So this was very easy. We just had to use the inbuilt method drop any with 2 parameters. The first one is subset, which column are we supposed to consider, and second is in place. Are we making the changes on the same data frame or on a new data frame? But there are 3 more parameters, as I said earlier. Let's see those. So as you can see over here, data frame drop any, and there are 5 parameters. Axis is equal to 0. If axis is equal to 0, it will drop the rows which contain missing values, and this is by default. In our case, we had to drop rows, which is why I did not add this parameter, because by default it is axis is equal to 0. But if axis is equal to 1, it will drop the columns which contain the missing value. Second parameter is how. How is equal to any or how is equal to all. When we write how is equal to all, it means if all the values are any, then we will drop that complete row or column. But we did not have to do that in this case, so we used how is equal to any, which is by default, which is why I did not write it over here. If any NA values are present, drop that row or column. Third is threshold. You require that many non-NA values. This is an integer argument which requires a minimum number of non-NA values to keep the row or column. If you want to keep that particular row or column, those many non-NA values should exist, otherwise it will drop it completely. Then fourth is subset and in place, which I already explained. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like this video, comment down, subscribe to the channel. Also check out our other playlists, check out our pandas playlist, check out our SQL playlist, check out our ebooks. And with that, I will end this video. Thank you so much for watching.